Well guys, today's the day we've been waiting for. We are on our way to get the GTR. My buddy Al picked me up. We're cruising in the Mustang. Let's go get it. On green, we're gonna go for it.
On green, I'm going for it. Smoke.
Freaking awesome.
This is a Sentra, right?
Yeah, it's a Sentra. This is my friend Al, Doug. Al, this is Doug.
How are you?
We're done. We got the car. Let's go take it for a drive.
Hey, it turned off.
Alright, Al, here's our pool.
It is pretty quick. I'm not scared though.
It wasn't scary?
No.
We did. There we go.
Like third gear really pulls.
Yeah.
Like, holy shit. I still don't think you do 0 to 6 under 3 seconds though.
I don't know.
Like
We'd have
third
to
gear
find
just pulls. Dude, it's like probably the fastest car I've ever been.
Yeah, it pulls hard.
Yeah.
Where should we go now?
I don't know, dude. Did that scare you?
Huh?
Did that scare you?
Not really. It scared me in the passenger seat when I'd ride with Doug.
Oh, really?
But
He was driving it? That's why?
Yeah, it feels different when somebody else is driving. Alright, here we go. Let's do a pool. Faster than the WRX. Alright guys, we are on our way home. Took one of my best friends of the last 20 years to ride in the car. He got his official stamp of approval. He loved it. He's never been in a car that has any more than about 300 wheel horsepower, because that's all the other cars I've ever owned. So, and his Mustang is probably about 320 to the flywheel, so it's not quite as fast. But anyway, as far as like my the VCAM, I notice going through the gears, it's definitely more responsive, even having the bigger turbos in. It's not as laggy on the down low. So yeah, street easy drivability like HKS claims. I'd say yeah, that I agree that it feels torqueier and like you don't have to shift as many times to find the right gear. But I'm so excited. Doug and Eric did a hell of a job at Up Garage. They were so kind to me, showing me a lot of love, letting me come into the shop and hang out with them and record the dyno runs, and just their customer service and their knowledge and everything that they provide. Just it made the experience that much easier for me, because this stuff is a expensive. I mean, when you're spending the kind of money that these modifications cost, it's very stressful. And so to have somebody that is knowledgeable and is, you know, customer service based as those two are, I mean, you can't beat it. We're about to get on the freeway here, and let's do the last little pull for the night before I end the video. Oh man, I think it's freaking awesome. Got third gear pulls, incredible, above 4,500 RPMs. This thing is a monster. So the big thing I noticed with these LMGT4 wheels having a 22mm offset, those Volk CE28s that I had were only a plus 3.5 offset, so they really tucked in a lot, which I noticed when I would kind of corner that the stability of the car, it didn't feel as planted. It kind of would like wander around corners. And the Nismos having the proper offset, it's definitely cleaned up the handling dynamics. And as far as this twin disc carbon clutch, I'm real happy with it. The car drives just like stock. Shifting is easy. I'm pretty happy with the package I did, and I'll do another video and break down all the different parts of the build. The car achieved the maximum of 470 wheel horsepower on the four-wheel dyno. It's all four. Doug has it tuned at about 440, he said. He kind of backed off the timing a little bit, so it should be nice and safe to drive on the street. And we're going to be going to Bremerton Raceways here September 6th and 7th. I'm going to be going for some roll racing. So hopefully, unlike last time where I just got absolutely crushed and destroyed by everything, having boost issues and car barely building any power or any boost, we should be able to beat most of the stuff there until we get into anything, you know, over 440, 450 wheels. So, and if you guys would like me to do a detailed parts list and everything that went into the build, go ahead and hit the like button. If I get 500 likes on this video, I'll make that video for you guys. Yeah, it handles really good.
So you got the 5 points on yours, right?
4 point.
4 point? Yeah. You know you're going to have some old guy getting your way, right? Yeah! Hell yeah! That's awesome! That's awesome!
Pulls pretty hard, doesn't it?
Oh, it pulls really nice. When I was watching you race, it's like...
If I could say anything about this car is holy crap, this thing has the ability to get me in some serious trouble. It's going to take a lot of restraint and a lot of discipline not to get a speeding ticket in this. So hopefully I can be responsible and save all that for the track, because the speed sure builds way faster than it used to. Man, honestly, like with the way the car was before, having stock and going from stock to 240 wheel horsepower to getting the boost controller dialed in and made about 290 to doing the boost up where it made about 340, 350 wheel, and the way that my car would drive before and how it pulled and the dynamics of it versus this, like honestly I can't even believe that it's the same car, because it handles the same, but god, holy crap. Doug, thank you very much. Eric, thank you very much. You guys kicked ass on this build. I still have a little bit ways to go to finish it, but with your help and expertise, I think between the three of us we'll get it done. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. If you guys found this video helpful and you like this type of Skyline GTR content, subscribe for more fun. And give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps out the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one.